I am Muhammad Khaled Zubair Shard. I made this video clip for all. 1¼ cups graham cracker crumbs, 2 tablespoons sugar, 3 tablespoons butter, margarine melted, 2 pounds cream cheese, 1 cup sugar, 8 ounces sour cream, 2 eggs, 1 cup flour, 3/4 cup heavy whipping cream. In a 5-quart mixing bowl, place 2 pounds of cream cheese and 1 cup granulated sugar and mix on low speed until cream cheese is softened and smooth. Place in bowl 8 ounces sour cream and continue mixing until well blended. At this time add 2 eggs, mix for 2 minutes, then add 1 cup flour and 3/4 cup heavy whipping cream. Mix on second speed until smooth and creamy. At this time your cheesecake mixture should be fluffy like ice cream as it comes out of the ice cream machine. Prepare your 10" by 2" spring form pan. In a large bowl, place your graham cracker crumbs and 2 tablespoons sugar, and your melted butter or margarine. Then with a wire whisk them together until well combined. Brush onto the sides of your spring form pan a little softened butter so the crumbs have something to hold to. Place the crumbs on the sides and bottom of the pan. Now you add slowly to the pan your cheesecake as not to disturb the crumbs too much. Now you should have a full pan. Preheat your oven to 275 degrees and not more. When your oven is hot, place the cake in it and bake for 55 minutes, then shut off the oven and let it in there for 3 hours. At the end of this time you should have the most beautiful cheesecake you ever seen. Let the cake on the table for 1½ hours, then place it in the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours. Now remove it from the pan and enjoy. On this cheesecake you can top it with anything you like: cherries, blueberries, strawberries and so on.